Today, Michigan State University's ex-president faced her accusers in court.
Luanna Simon's one-time advisor took the stand against her.
Yeah, and as 7 investigator Ross Jones tells us, she could prove to be the Attorney General's more crucial witness against MSU's former president.
It's an email to then President Simon.
On May 16, 2014, Paulette Granberry Russell sent an email to Luanna Simon, who was then her boss. The subject was Larry Nassar.
We have an incident involving a sports medicine doc.
That email would ultimately help land the once revered MSU president in this Eaton County courtroom, facing up to 4 years in prison. Simon is accused of lying about whether she knew in 2014 that Nassar was under investigation by Michigan State for sexual assault. She has long maintained that she didn't know Nassar was accused of abuse until 2016, when he was named in an Indianapolis Star report. But Granberry Russell, one of Simon's longtime advisors, is supposed to be the Attorney General's key witness to prove she knew much sooner. Today she testified about a meeting she had with Simon in 2014, shortly after Granberry Russell learned of the Nassar investigation.
Was an agenda prepared for that May 19th meeting?
Yes.
Then the Attorney General's office produced a folder they seized during a raid that they say was from Granberry Russell's meeting with Simon. On the outside of it were handwritten notes.
It says Sports Med Dr. Nassar, S.A.
What does S.A. mean?
I believe it means sexual assault.
Nassar's name written on the folder appears to be the strongest evidence that his name did come up in the meeting with Simon, and therefore she had to know. And so it wasn't a surprise that Simon's legal team tried to poke holes in that theory quickly.
You could have put his name on it any time after the 16th of
Yes.
May.
The Attorney General's office plans to call 5 or maybe 6 more witnesses before they conclude the preliminary exam. It won't finish up until next Tuesday. We're in Charlotte. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
All right, Ross, thank you. Well, just